Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by securing your data and removing the beta profile. First, back up your iPhone to iCloud or to Finder on Mac OS. You will need this later. Next, go to Settings, General, VPN, and Device Management, and delete the iOS beta profile. This prevents future beta updates. Once done, plug your iPhone into a Mac or PC with the latest iTunes or Finder available, and make sure your computer trusts the device so the restore can proceed cleanly. Next, you put the phone into recovery mode using the model-specific button sequence. This prepares the device to accept a non-beta firmware. On your computer, open Finder or iTunes, and it will detect an iPhone in recovery. Choose Restore when prompted. This downloads and installs the latest public iOS and removes beta software. Make sure you confirm any warnings and allow the download to finish. Avoid disconnecting the cable, because interrupting the process can leave the phone in an unusable state. Finally, after the restore finishes, you'll walk through iOS setup and restore your backup from iCloud or Finder so your data returns. Make sure to reapply any two-factor authentication and sign back into services. If the restore fails or the device is stuck on the Apple logo, try recovery mode again. If that fails, use DFU mode to force a full reinstall of firmware. If errors persist or you see hardware-related messages, contact Apple support or visit a Genius Bar for hands-on help.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.